Hi LinkedIn fam, how are you guys doing? This is Vaibhav and I'm really sorry. I promise that I'll post at least 2 to 3 videos every month, but I've not been able to keep up to the promise. I mean, not that I'm trying to give you reasons, but I got busy. I'm really sorry about that. Yeah, I mean, I'm not replied messages to a lot of people on LinkedIn. I've just not been active on LinkedIn. The reason being, I've just got too busy. I'm right now at Mexico City, at Mexico, and here for work because of sudden plans. And for every less time that I've been getting, I've been making full use of the time to travel. For people who've been following me on Instagram, must have seen the amount of travel that I've been doing. Every 3 hours, 4 hours, I probably go around, and every weekend I'm trying to travel. I've traveled to Cuba, I've traveled to a couple of towns around in Mexico. Yeah, and the travel plans are going to go on, right? But again, right, let's not waste any more time. Let's jump into the hack right now. And I've been working on a couple of interesting ideas. They're not startups yet because I've been validating the ideas. And the process of validating them, I found quite a few interesting hacks. I've tried them, I've tested them, they work great. So this is one of my favorites. So let me take you through this, right? So usually, let's say I'm trying to sell a hacking course. The way I target on Facebook is I look for people who have interests in growth marketing, growth hacking, marketing, and so on, right? But the problem is this Facebook will eventually give me an audience in like thousands and thousands or in millions if I choose worldwide. And that's a warm audience. That's a cold audience, right? I need a warm audience because I don't have the money to spend like thousands of dollars to get me leads. I need to make it as efficient as possible. So this is the hack that I found, right? This hack is a simple hack where we are going to use very good websites content like Mashable, BuzzFeed, Business Insiders, things like that, and run an engagement ad to activate our Facebook pixel. Again, for people who don't know what a Facebook pixel is, it's basically like a tracking code for all the websites using which it's by Facebook, using which you can retarget. So on Amazon, when you click on a product and you see ads on Facebook right after, that is because of the Facebook pixel, right? So essentially, I'm going to charge my Facebook pixel with audiences using an external link by a very famous website, and then use that audience to target my site. Now, digital marketers would be questioning me, how would I install a Google Pixel on an external site like a Mashable, right? This is how we do it. It's a super hack. Stay with me. First, the in this process, the way I do it is I go to BuzzSumo and look for the word growth hacking. BuzzSumo essentially gives me articles which have been doing really well based on the keyword, and you can see how well it's doing on social media, right? So for growth hacking, let's say, okay, this is the article that I've found interesting. It talks about strategies and techniques by the best influential leaders. It's a good article, it's a good read. Now, I mean, I'm sure people are really interested in growth marketing or growth hacking would probably like to read the article, right? So instead of copying the article to my blog, what I'm going to do is go to this. So what I'm going to do is copy this article, go to this amazing tool called as Sharpie. I've already registered. You can register for free. There's a free trial available to test it out. If you like it, you can always buy it. You can use our hacks, the Bless Gmail hack, but it's very cheap. I think I would suggest you to go ahead and buy it because it'll make your money in one ad, right? Now, you just go here, paste the link, and hit shorten. Now, the difference, like a lot of tools would actually shorten your links. So what is so great about this tool? This, it lets you add a Facebook pixel to an external article. For now, I'm going to add something random. You can find your pixel. You can add as many pixels as you want. You can see like Google AdWords, Twitter, anything you want, right? And then just hit create. There you go. You have the article. This link, when someone clicks on it, you will be able to track them in terms of the data will be tracked in the pixel, which in return you can use to retarget the audiences for the project or the product that you're trying to sell. In this case, I'm going to target my video course or whatever, like the growth hacking video course, to all the users who have clicked the link. Let's see how it looks, right? Now you can see it's mashable. It's still mashable. My internet is really slow. I'm sorry about that. Right, there you go. It's the same article. It's Mashable, but we have been able to insert a tracker into this. Now they have this amazing dashboard. You can go back. Amazing dashboard. You can go back and it shows you analytics and everything. But the best part is your pixel is charged with content generated by authentic sites like Mashable, where the CTRs will be insanely higher than your own blog, own website slash blog. So I hope you really like the post. But before I end, there's another amazing thing that Shopee gives you, that is bio link. Yes, you can actually insert a pixel into your bio link, and not just that, you can add multiple other links. You can see that, like you can add your website, you can add multiple other links into this and put it on your bio. When someone clicks on your bio, it's going to charge your pixel too. It's super handy, super useful if you're doing influencer marketing. But then, yeah, that's more about the hack today. I I would like you to try it out. Let me know if there are any additional marketers in your account. Just tag them. Drop in comments if you have any doubts about it. I would love to clear them up. And have a great week. I'll come back next week, probably with a new hack next week. Haven't figured out something, but you know what? I'm gonna give you the best content I can possibly give. See you guys. See you next week. Bye.